Now, children, let us discuss another one very much important topic, that is Pune Pact. Now, what was the Pune Pact? To understand this, first we'll understand in between whom the Pune Pact was signed. So, first of all, we will understand that in between Gandhiji and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the Pune Pact was signed. Now, what was the purpose behind? So, you may know about the leadership of B.R. Ambedkar. Of which community Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the leader? Yes, we know Dr. Ambedkar was the leader of untouchable Dalit, means scheduled caste community at earlier time. He was a leader. So, what were the problems and what were the reason that Gandhiji and Ambedkar, Dr. Ambedkar, they had to sign a Pune Pact? So, that we are going to discuss now. So, as I have already told you, to Dalit people, to untouchables, Gandhiji used to say Harijans that time. Okay, and throughout this his livelihood, for this untouchability and discrimination, he has fought many satyagraha. He has participated in many satyagrahas. Still, that is not the topic. So, when he was standing for the nationalist movement, that time Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the leader of Dalit community. So by 1930, he formed the Depressed Classes of Association. So by 1930, Depressed Classes Association means it is a type of what? Organization. Yes. So that association means many people, those who belong to the Dalit community, they were the leader of association. And the main leader was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So, what was the demand of this association? The demand was that they were demanding for the separate electorates. Means elections should be separate in what? In the provincial and central government councils. For what purpose they wanted the separate elections? Because they were untouchable by the high caste Hindus. They were discriminated very badly in the society. So to get that same position as others, for that purpose they wanted the means separate electorates. Okay, when the Depressed Class Association put the demand in front of British government, so British government also considered the demand. Considered means British government also agree with the demands and they listen the demands. But here Gandhiji was not happy with this. Now think why Gandhiji was not happy with this. Because Gandhiji was the father of whole nation and he was thinking for whole nation. When he was thinking ki if we are fighting for the whole nation Purna Swaraj, full independence, but in this case if different community will be thinking for their own benefits, like Muslim community, like Dalit community, like Brahmin community, high caste Hindus, so in this way if different community will be thinking for their own benefit, how we will get the full independence, how we will get the Purna Swaraj? So it was not acceptable by Gandhiji. He wanted the nation should be united and we all have to fight unitedly. Gandhiji thought that the separate electorates break the unity. Yes, obviously, if separate elections will be there for the poor community, for the untouchables, so it will break the unity of the people. Okay, and it will slow down the process of Purna Swaraj. Then there will be no full independence because these people will be getting the facilities for themselves. So all nation will not be united. All will be thinking for their own benefits. Okay, so this was the reason behind, and that's why by saying all these things, Gandhiji began the fast unto the death. You know, Amaran Uposhan we also used to say in Hindi, means unto the death he started the fast. So after the long time, by listening these things, by hearing these things, this problem, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has to listen to the Gandhiji. He has to agree with the Gandhiji's thinking, and that's why by 1932 the Pune Pact was signed. Okay. Now what was in this Pune Pact? It was signed in Pune. That's why it is called Pune Pact. Now what was this? What was in that Pune Pact? There was a thing that was soluble result of this all the things. So result was that कि reserve seats will be there in the provincial and the central electorate councils. Okay, there will be some reserve seats in the provincial government and the central electorate council. For whom? For the Dalit people, for the Dalit community. Now what is the meaning of provincial? Provincial means with that time, like we have the state election now, CM. So like that time they had the provincial elections for the different provinces. Like this different provinces, they had the provincial elections. So for that provincial elections, there will be reserve seat for the Dalit community. Okay, and for the central government also, central electorate also, there will be a reserve seat. Means 2 seats for this community will be reserved, 3 seats will be reserved. In that way there will be reserve seats. But the voting will be done in the common way, means with all, with everybody, Hindu, Muslim, with everybody, with Dalit, everybody, the elections should go together. There will be general voting. That was the thing, that was the treaty which was signed by both the people, and that is only called the Pune Pact. Children, I hope you have understood nicely what was the Pune Pact. You can see the answer and underline from your book also. Thank you and have a nice day, children.